Hi, math lovers. Let's see who can solve this problem. It says, what is the area of this figure? In this figure, we have different shapes. Let's separate them. We have a triangle here, big rectangle, and this small rectangle. So we have to find the area of triangle, which is base times height divided by 2, and area of rectangle, which is equal to length times width. For this small one, we have length and width, which is 2 and 7. 2 times 7 equals to 14. This part is easier, 14 feet squared. We have to write always the measurement with squared. Next one, this big rectangle, we have this measurement. This 12 is the length and 6 is the width. 12 times 6, let's write down area of this big rectangle equals to 12 times 6, which is equal to 72 feet square. So this big one is 72 feet square. We have these two and this small one. Now it's time to find the area of triangle, and then when we find all shapes areas, we can add them together and find the area of this figure total. We have base, which is 6 feet. What about the height? How can we find this part? If this big triangle side, this whole side equals to 6 feet, how can we find this small part? Look at this side. We have here, this part is 5, right? And this small part is 2. That means if this part is 2 and this whole part is 5, this small part will be 3. And if the total is 6, this half is 3, that means this part also equals to 3 feet, right? Now we can find the height. 3 plus these 2 will be 5. So the height of this triangle equals to 5 feet. This was the complicated side. Lots of my students were confusing how to find the height of the triangle. I hope you understand. It's very easy. If this whole part is 5 and small part is 2, that means 5 minus 2 is 3. This half is 3, and we have 6. This total is 6. 6 minus 3 will be 3. We found this part was 3, and plus this 2 was 5. The height, this height is 5. Now we have the measurements of triangle. Area of triangle equals to height times base, or base times height, doesn't matter, divided by 2. Let's plug them. Height is 5 times base was 6 divided by 2 equals to, we can cross out, this will be 3. 5 times 3 is 15 feet square. So the area of this triangle is 15 feet square. Now we have all three areas, all three figures, shapes, areas. If we combine all together, we will answer the question that says what is the area of this figure. So we have 72 plus 14 plus 15, which is area of this figure. Let's name it. 72 plus 14 will be 86 plus 15 will become 18. 80 plus 10 is 90. 6 plus 5 is 11. So it's going to be 101. So this is equal to 101 feet square. What is the area of this figure? Let's write down here. 101 feet square. This is the solution for this problem. Easy and fun, right? Thank you for following. Please comment, like, and subscribe.